Hey, me again. Day 8. Look at it, we're almost there. On the 8th day of fitness, Coach Sue gave to me 8 skater lunges. What is a skater lunge? I'll show you, of course. All right, so you're here. Left leg comes behind you, you're reaching. I like to actually touch the floor on the outside of this foot. Other arms up, and you kind of jump over, touch over here. Touch, touch. So it's right, there's 1. So I'm doing them in sets. There's 2. Right modification can be here. Can reach up, abs in tight. I'll do it sideways, but I like to jump. And try to make it wide, like you're jumping over a brook or a big puddle. Ready? So you're doing 8 of them. I think that's 6. There's 7. And there's your 8 skater lunge sets. All right. You know what they are. 7 high knees, 6 plank jacks, 5 quick burpees, 4 side planks with a hip drop each side, 3 frog jumps, 2 push-ups, and a 1-minute plank. Day 8. Thanks for hanging in. See you later.